Are you ready to add logos and other images to your emails? Let's get started. You can add images into your email templates. You can also set up a default email signature in your My Profile settings. Or provide an email signature for each agent that you work with, including branding with their logo. When adding a new associate, create a customized signature. Now, let's add the logo. Click the Insert Edit Image icon. The source is the URL, or publicly available web address, that specifies the location of an image. If the image that you want is on the web and is available for your use, you can right-click on the image and select Copy Image Address. Paste the address in the source field. Alt text is where you describe the image, so it will be read aloud to visually impaired users on a screen reader. Size the image appropriately. You can click on the image and edit sizing if needed. You can also add images from your repositories, like Google Drive or Dropbox. It's a little trickier, so let me walk you through the steps of adding from Google Drive. First, you will need to open a plain text editor on your computer. The most common are Windows Notepad, TextEdit on the Mac, and the Text app for Chrome. Now, right-click on the selected image in Google Drive and select Get Link. Click on Restricted and choose any one with the link. Select Copy Link. Open your plain text editor and paste the link. The link will look like this one with the word sharing at the end. We will now create a new link that can be used as the source link. Type this link on your text document. Or copy from the Adding an Image from Google Drive document in our Help section. Now, copy the file ID from the link you pasted from Google Drive and paste at the end of your new link. Copy this URL and paste it into the source field of the Insert Edit Image menu item in tcDocs. Voila! Use the same process to add images into your email templates. If you are using a different repository, contact tcDocs support, and we will help make sure you are able to add the images you need.